ventricle, left atrium, right atrium, left auricle, right auricle, apex of the heart, coronary artery, which lies within the coronary sulcus. This is your pulmonary trunk. It runs right between the two auricles. The pulmonary trunk is going to branch off into either lung and become, you should have blue in here, and that should be a pulmonary artery. You guys have to dissect it out, but that would be the one there. And you'll have one over here, pulmonary artery. Then you go to your aortic arch, right there. Two branches come out of the aortic arch. You've got a left subclavian, and you got your innominate or brachiocephalic. Okay? The brachiocephalic or innominate branches into three things: your right subclavian, your right common carotid, and your left common carotid. Off of your left subclavian, since these are open and you see them really well, the first one's the vertebral. The second one underneath here is your costocervical. The third one is your thyrocervical. The one that's broken and hanging off would have connected to your sternum. So that's your sternal or mammary. Sternal or mammary. Your thyrocervical is going to run up this jugular, and when it splits up in here, it becomes a transverse scapula. The area that's between your thyrocervical and your long thoracic, this little segment right there, is your axillary. Okay. From there, you're going to go down the arm, find the largest branch. That's the subscapular. Off the subscapular, going backwards, you should find one called the thoracodorsal. Like I already mentioned, that's the long thoracic. Then you go to your brachial. Radial's there, and then ulna, if you've got something over there, that's where you're at there. Up the carotid, you're going to have an inferior thyroid and a superior thyroid. You're also going to have a lingual, your external maxillary. This little segment there is your external carotid. This big one that loops around goes up in the brain. That's your internal maxillary. The one that runs backwards to your ear is your posterior auricular. And then the pink one that goes up the forehead area is your temporal. I think that's everything.
Thank you.